What's up, everybody? I figure we try out something a little different today, a little bit different from the usual format. Kind of want to do like a wash and talk video like Matt Mormon from Obsessed Garage does a lot. I figured it's a good way to keep you guys updated on the new stuff, such as the new products that have been added to the web shop, or just the stuff I've been up to. And to be honest, I don't know how this video is going to turn out. It's the first time I'm doing something like this, so I may not end up using this video, but if you see this, well, I guess it turned out pretty okay. So, all right, so I want to start this off by going over the new products. So we've recently added this MTMP of 22.2 to the web shop. We have the replacement bottles as well as the entire foam cannon. We used to only have these original 22s with the bottle that tilts over very easily, but we now finally got these updated bottles in Europe. To be honest, I don't have like a whole lot of these, so by the time I upload this video, they may already be sold out. I'm not too sure. And then we finally have GSF Gentle Snow Foam available in 5 liters. It's been a long time waiting for this product. This was already available in the US for a couple months, but we now finally have it in Europe as well as Motoplast or Motoplast, whatever you want to call it, also available in 5 liters. And then another new thing is this is also from Coach Chemi, is this foam or sponge applicator, whatever you want to call it. This comes with the hand wax from Coach Chemi, but I like to use this to apply tire dressings. But you can use this for whatever, really. You can use it for waxes, for sealants, for dressings, whatever. It's a great applicator. All right, let's prep the foam cannons. I'm going to be using, I'm actually going to be using this one to use Brake Buster. I usually use the IK Foam Pro 2 with Brake Buster diluted 1 to 5, but I figure I'm gonna do it this way this time. Just using it undiluted in this foam cannon, because when you use it, it's basically getting diluted. So let's try that. And I'm gonna be using GSF to foam the car. These should fit on here. Perfect. Okay. So usually I use about 100 milliliters of GSF, and I don't really measure it. I just kind of like eyeball it. So I'm not too accurate with it. Give it a little shake, mix it up, and I already have my bucket set up, so that's ready to go. And then what I'll do, I'll probably just go over the products that I'm using while I'm working on the car. Kind of like maybe if something comes to mind, I'll just share it. Something new that may be coming up soon. But I'll just mainly go over what I'm doing, and yeah, let's start cleaning the car. That's some really thick foam. Okay, so we're starting this off by cleaning the wheels, and unfortunately I had to put a voiceover for the next few clips because there was just too much wind noise. Yeah, it's just these next few clips, so it's all okay. So I just foamed the wheel with brake buster, and what a lot of people always ask me is, what do you use in the wheel bucket? And what I have right here is just a little bit of GSF for some extra suds basically. You could use any type of shampoo just to, you know, get some extra lubrication going on. And the procedure is the same as always. I always start on the inside of the wheel using these wheel woolies, and then I move on to the front of the wheel. And what I use here, I use these what I call noodle wash mitts. They're a little bit smaller than your usual mitt, so they fit really good around your hand, and you can get in between the spokes and behind there like very easily. So yeah. And to clean the tires, I just apply a little bit more snow foam, a little bit more brake buster, and scrub it down and rinse it all off. Now my wheels are protected with CarPro Deluxe, but every now and then I like to top off the protection with Hydro 2 Light. Application of this product is super easy. You just make sure the wheel is wet, and you just spray it on and rinse it off immediately. All right, time for GSF. So in the wash bucket, I'm also just using GSF. And if you're interested in what kind of wash pad this is a Cyclone wash pad from the Rag company. They also have wash mitts, same material, same grade microfiber. I really like these, always use them. By the way, if you're ever looking for one of the products, I always have like a list in the description of all the products that I use in the video you're watching. So check it out. So I pulled the car inside, and I'm using this drying towel by the Rag company. It's a extra large. It's a pretty big towel. This is called the Gauntlet. It has two sides, like a light gray and a dark gray. Really good drying towel. Really like this. When your car is ceramic coated or has, you know, some sort of protection on there, it's just a breeze to dry it. Takes no time at all. All right, next thing is to blow dry the car. So basically blow out all of the excess water that gets trapped in the places such as the grill, the mirrors, the rims, and you know, those type of places. This is a Big Boy Blower Pro. I think Big Boy makes one of the best car dryers, so I would highly recommend these. We also have these available in the web shop. So if you're interested, check it out. Really, really great machine. Alright, and then what I like to do is I like to go around the car with P&S Beat Maker. Really easy to apply. You could use this as a drying aid, but I don't like to contaminate my drying towels with this product, so I like to keep them, you know, completely clean. So that's why I use these are towels from the Rag company. I'll put a link in the description. These are really great for applying spray sealants like this. So also, this is really easy to apply. Like, this doesn't leave any streaks or anything. You can use it in the paint, on the glass, on pretty much everything. So just spray it on and start working it in. Take a second towel and just wipe off any residue. And that's it. You can even use this on the rims, even though we've applied Hydro 2 Light. You can still go around and just, you know, in case there's any water left behind or anything, just get all of that. Let's use one of these Coach Chemi applicators. PSS Plus Star, I'm not going to pronounce that. Works really great. If you haven't used this before, would highly recommend this as a tire dressing. Alright, that's going to be about it. I actually also wanted to include some of the interior, but I guess I'll save that for another video. Let me know if you guys would like to see something like this again. Maybe you don't want to hear me talk again, I don't know. Maybe you just want to see the usual format. Let me know what you think, drop a comment, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.